magic on my mind. Something simple, something great, a golden dream on our breakfast plate. Ooh, I got that flavor right. Wrap it up, fold it tight. Butter kiss in every bite, melting cheese, yeah, hold on tight. Oh, roll it up, bake it down. Egg breakfast balls, golden brown, crispy shell, melts inside. One little bite, take me high. Oh, yeah, yeah. Egg breakfast balls, I'm obsessed. Turn the heat up, let it go. 15 minutes, nice and slow. Then we spin, then we wait. Patience makes the perfect plate. Garlic dancing, onion sweet, puff pastry wrapping up the heat. A little dill, a little cheese, biting deep. Oh yes, please. Roll it up, bake it down. Egg breakfast balls, golden brown, crispy shell, melt inside. One little bite, take me high. Oh yeah, yeah. Egg breakfast balls, I'm obsessed.